This is normally the point in my morning around like 10 a.m. where I'm just sipping my coffee. I'm collecting good vibes. That's basically what this stage is called. It's called Collection of Good Vibes. I will go to my gratitude journal, which you can actually get on my Etsy shop, Actualizer Co. This is the template. I don't know if you can see it. It is so calming, minimal, and pretty. It just basically does today's affirmations, today what I'm grateful for, today will be amazing because, and then at the end of the day, I fill out that I'm proud of myself for, and tomorrow I'm excited for. Even sometimes in the day, I do not feel like journaling, and I do not feel like planning. Like, I have so many times where I'm like, hey, can I just skip this part of my morning? Like, I'm not always motivated to journal, but it's kind of the same thing with working out, where discipline gets you so much further than motivation, because I feel like if you're forcing yourself to do something that you know is good for you in the end, and that you're not going to regret that. When it comes to working out, when it comes to journaling, and even cleaning your room and doing your daily plan, you can never go wrong with just like not even thinking about it. You are not always going to have motivation to do that, and I get so many comments asking me, are you always so motivated to stay organized and to stay productive? And I am not. I have so many days where I wake up and I'm like, I don't want to do this. Then I have one simple question. Would the best version of myself get up and do this? Like, would the up-leveled next level of myself go and do this? And it's probably yes. And then I just do it. Journaling, that takes like 5 minutes out of my day. Also, another tangent, I've been watching so many podcasts of like successful people and what they do. I don't think you have to get up at 5 a.m. every single morning and work out and do everything. If that works for you, then definitely do that. But for me, one of the most efficient ways to be successful, and the one with the highest success rate, something you can implement right now, the secret to your success is hidden in all of your tiny little daily habits, all of your little daily routines. So every single good habit that you add into your life, it's not just a good habit for that day. A habit is something that you repeat. So with repetition and consistency, that's where you become successful. And I don't even mean success in like your career, I mean success in your health or success in your happiness. Just not being lazy with things that you could be doing, especially tiny little habits like journaling. After journaling, I will first go through my weekly planner. This is how I plan out my week from like a bird's eye view. And I did a whole video on how I plan and organize my life, so I will link that in an eye. I planned out my whole week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is actually pretty empty because it is Canada Day weekend. We're going up to the beach with my friends and I'm trying to get all of my work done so I don't have to do a lot of work when I'm there. And then I just have the big things that are like, I have to do today. I have like my top priorities, my errands, self-care. In the self-care thing, I wrote go to bed early, which I have kind of been doing. I want to move every day. I want to do some type of workout every day, and that could definitely be at home too. Like, it does not have to be at the gym. And then do my teeth hygiene routine every day. I have a very specific teeth hygiene routine, and maybe I'll show it in this video. It just makes me feel very clean. And then I go to my daily plan. This is one obviously that I use every single freaking day of my life. I don't think I've missed a day since I created this planner. As you can see, I have the whole morning blocked off to film this morning routine. I have to do all the YouTube editing on my decluttering video and set a countdown on my Instagram story. Then I might have a discussion post to do for my online leadership class. I have to post on TikTok, post on Instagram. I want to work out, and then I want to film a ton of TikToks and Reels today. One of my goals for July is to post on TikTok every single day, because I feel like I just think way too much and I overthink my content so much that I even film a lot of TikToks and don't post them. So I'm just like, Sadie, just post them. You can always delete them, and they're not like embarrassing things. It's just a way to get more stuff out and for me to communicate with you guys and make stuff for you guys. My mood, I'm feeling like the second happiest one. I'm gonna circle that guy because it's raining outside and it's really dark, and that always has an effect on my mood. And my affirmation for today. I normally focus my affirmation on something that I'm lacking in the day. Like, if I feel unproductive, then I'll write something about being productive. Or if I feel ugly, then I'll write something about being attractive. If I feel like my energy's low, I'll feel like writing like, thank you so much for all the unlimited energy that I have. I woke up feeling so refreshed. Recently, what I've been trying to do is stop myself from stopping myself. That's a good quote. It's like I overthink everything to the point where I'm like, well, I probably can't do it that great anyways. Like, I have to just have more confidence and just live more. Stop thinking and start living. So many Pinterest quotes I just made. I am so lucky to live a life full of amazing experiences that flow to me on the daily. There you go. Oh, I also have to post stuff at this time. I have good news and I have bad news. The coffee is done, but that means my energy is high because I actually looked up how long it takes for coffee to kick in, and it takes 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of drinking this, I feel like I could literally run 7 marathons. I could film 12 videos and I could work out 6 times. Like, that is what I feel like after my morning coffee, and it's crazy. Right now, I am just going to schedule my video. Oh, yes. Welcome to my dental office. This is what I start off doing every single day. I literally just ran out of floss, literally last night. What I first start doing for my little teeth routine, I get these little like picks. I have a permanent retainer on my top teeth and my bottom teeth. You can't floss underneath that. So much food gets stuck under the retainers. I basically just like stick this in the bottom, like under the retainer, rinse it off, and the same thing on the top. And doing all of this extra flossing and cleaning of my mouth has made my teeth so much naturally whiter. Like, I don't ever have to use my whitening strips unless I want to have like really, really white teeth, but I haven't used them in months because I've been doing this. Throw this out, don't reuse it. After that, I would floss normally, like with regular floss, and then I will brush my teeth with an electric toothbrush. The toothpaste that I use, so it's a natural toothpaste. This is a fluoride-free one. They put so many gross chemicals in regular toothpaste. I like the Hello toothpaste as well. I have this one too. Do you wet the toothbrush and then put toothpaste, or do you put toothpaste and then wet it? Or do you wet it before and after? I put the toothpaste and then wet it. The next thing is a tongue scraper, and I feel like I should just make a whole TikTok about like my hygiene routine and tips. Not hygiene as in like putting fake scents on you so that you smell good, but like hygiene from literally the inside out, like natural hygiene. I take this tongue scraper. Everyone needs this. You need this if you want to have good breath. There is so much bacteria that gets stuck on your tongue, and when you go like this with a tongue scraper, you can see all that stuff that gets on your tongue even overnight. So I do this twice a day. Go to the back of your tongue and then scrape forward. I literally can't show that. That's crazy. I will link this on my Amazon. I'll link all of these little teeth products on Amazon so you can just be these smiley little girls. Then I will take some mouthwash, and this is what gets the bacteria from like the back of your mouth, your cheeks. So this is what cleans like the other parts of your mouth. This one is a natural one too. It's a Desert Essence Tea Tree Oil Ultra Care mouthwash. It's sugar-free, alcohol-free. I just take some of this, and I'm the only one who uses this, so I just like drink it. There's also different flavors of that. There's a more pepperminty one, but the tea tree oil gives such a nice fresh scent to your breath, and it makes you feel like actually clean. This is such nice weather. I'm so excited. Why? Literally why? I don't like this at all. And my autofocus just turned off for that entire clip. I literally don't like that at all. It's supposed to be like a cute summer, sunny morning routine where I like tan, but that is okay. I'm still going to get my body moving. Immediately whenever it's raining, I'm like, oh, so it's a self-care day. That's like what I do to make myself feel better. It's either like a self-care day or it's like a quiet coffee shop day. Did I do that? I did that. Actually, I feel so much better now. That's crazy. I feel on top of the actual world. And a lot of those songs are from my Gym Baby playlist. I'm going to go put everything I have into this workout, and I'm doing legs and glutes today. But as you may know, I am Fit for Less's #1 fan because it's literally cheap, and I can go to the one in Waterloo. I can go to the one in anywhere. I can literally go to any Fit for Less with this membership, and it's like $11 every 2 weeks. Let's go work out. I just talked about this on my story, but I think the reason why I get so inconsistent with the gym, because once I'm there, I love it. Like, I love the gym. But here's the thing, then it takes me 2 hours to work out. Like, I will be there for a good hour working out. And then after that, I do like a 20 to 30 minute stretch routine. I get there and I just get so into it that I stay there for like 2 hours. And then that's where it becomes like a whole thing to go to the gym. I can't just go to the gym for like a couple minutes and then bye. I think that's gonna be like my goal, to shorten the amount of time that I spend in the gym, because then I could go more often. Liv and I actually combined this little goal, and we are going to move our bodies in one way every day up until Canada Day weekend. That could literally be walking for 10 minutes, like doesn't really matter, and drink a ton of water. Just whenever we're sitting down anywhere, just like having water by our side. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. That was basically my morning. Now it's actually 1:30, hence the fact that I take so long in the gym. Also, this hoodie is from H&M and it's so good. It's one that Evan and I, like, we bought 2 hoodies so that he could have one and then I could have one, and then now we switch so it smells like each other. Oh my god, we're so coupley. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell if you like videos like this. I make so many videos like this. And if you want to check out my digital planners or my phone wallpapers, you can go to my Etsy shop, Actualizer Co. I love you guys so much. Have the best day ever. And I'm gonna listen to some more music right now because I just found so many at the gym, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.